it's Marshal Training Day here at Cadwell Park, and our hard-working midweek Marshal team have spent the morning watching health and safety videos and getting up to speed with some of the policies and procedures and changes going into a very busy season of motorsport and track action here at MSV's Cadwell Park that will of course see them spend their days in all weather conditions watching other people have fun on race bikes and race cars. Now, Jonathan Palmer said to us at the end of last year, why don't we give them a race car so that the marshals can do their driver training part of the exercise in a proper race car? So that's what we've done. We've got this Clio race car from Bedford, one of the Palmer sport cars. They've just finished their health and safety videos. They've had a spot of lunch in the clubhouse, and I cannot wait to see our marshals' faces when they see what we've got parked in the scrutineering bay, ready to be fired up on day 2 for their driver training. Let's see what they think.
I like it.
I think they like it. Just a hunch.